Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on London buses. It's a super convenient and secure way to pay for your journey, making travel around the city much easier. You can simply use your iPhone or Apple Watch, just like a regular contactless card. Make sure your device is charged and your preferred payment card is selected in your Apple Wallet before you board. This method saves you time and the hassle of buying paper tickets. Before you tap and go, you'll want to make sure your device is ready. First, add your debit or credit card to the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then, set your most frequently used card as your default payment option. For even faster boarding, enable the Express Transit feature in your wallet settings. This allows you to pay without authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, saving you precious seconds. When you're ready to board, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the yellow card reader. With Express Transit enabled, you don't need to open an app or even authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Just tap your device and you'll hear a beep confirming your payment. Remember, on London buses, you only need to tap once when you get on. There's no need to tap off when you exit. To ensure a smooth journey, always make sure your chosen card has sufficient funds before you travel. A great benefit of using Apple Pay is that daily and weekly fare caps are automatically applied, so you're always charged the best possible fare. Also, remember to keep your iPhone or Apple Watch charged throughout your trip to avoid any payment interruptions. Enjoy the convenience and ease of using Apple Pay for your London bus adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.